I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the ground.
Welcome to Kranjska Gora. We are right now sitting on a chairlift up the mountain, and here we got a toboggan run where you can drive from up the mountain down to the valley. Beautiful nature over here, it's so green. It's 36 euros to go up with the chairlift and down with the toboggan run. Yeah, I think it's definitely worth it.
Walking down the street, Hollywood and fine, looking for a better way to pass the time. At the bus stop, a homeless man put out his fist, tried to shake his hand, but he grabbed my wrist. The billboard was promoting someone I knew, but boy, I'm glad I'm not in his shoes, 'cause I'm free, spirit forever. I am free, spirit forever.
Welcome to Lake Jasna near Kranjska Gora. You got a very lovely scenery, and the color itself, I'm not sure if it's allowed to swim here because no one is inside. Anyway, we are going here tomorrow to these mountains with a beautiful view, but for now let's get something to eat. So friends, I got myself this burger. The King's Burger.
So big.
It's a double patty with some fries, and I don't know how to eat it.
Good.
It's very good.
Streets feel alive, we mix with light, ghost town blown down, and life shines back, go fast at a blast on a train, on a boat, on a plane, so good to be on the run.
Just imagine taking a swim in this beautiful lake, and we got our swimming pants on, but guys, I can tell it's definitely too cold. That's why no one was inside the water yesterday, because it's just like, I have no idea, but maybe it's 10 degrees or something. A 20-minute ride with a car, and we are here at the Peričnik Waterfall, which is a stunning one here in Slovenia. There's this parking area down there, and it says 2 hours 5 euro, pay at the cottage, but the cottage is closed, so I think then parking is for free today, or maybe because it's Sunday, I'm not sure. Over 50 meters high, and such a beautiful one, so powerful. The weather is perfect, and yeah, this is Slovenia. Such a lovely place, guys. There's so much water. You're in the cave and the raindrops are coming down, and it's so loud, but just an experience. I'm totally wet, but still worth it. It's definitely a must do when coming here to Slovenia. visiting this beautiful waterfall over here, which is so nice. Woo! A wet half an hour later, we are back at our car park, and this was just lovely. As you can see, the car park is already filled, so nearly full, and we are driving now to our next destination, which will be the, I'm not sure what the name is in English. It's the Predjama Castle, cave fortress. I will tell you later, so let's go guys, see you over there. And this is Predjama Castle, an old Renaissance castle first mentioned in 1274, and it's located near the village, or in the village called Predjama, and the castle is built into the mountain.
Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away with me.
So guys, we made it here to this cute restaurant with a lovely view to the Predjama Castle, and having a cappuccino and a beer. You can go inside. It's 20 euros per person for the entrance. We decided just take a look from the outside, and it's still so beautiful. So this is the end of this vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay easy and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, we are heading out to Koper, to the coastline of Slovenia. This is where our next video starts. So thanks for watching guys, and hopefully see you in the next one.